Atta girl. Oh yeah. Do a big cry for mommy. Make mommy feel good. Yeah. There you go. Atta girl. Atta girl. Atta girl. Look at them feet. Look at those feet for mom. Yeah. That's a good girl. So pretty. So pretty. Yep. Yeah. Big cry for mommy. Yeah, say hi to mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Atta girl. Okay, sweetie. Aww. Yeah. You are the most interesting thing in the world right now. Just let me know when you gotta kick me out. Yeah, girl. She seems to be doing good, huh?
Just I gotta recheck her temperature, and then the nurse practitioner is checking.
Just a little bit of that grunting. She's a lively one, though.
She is.
Spread them toes. Yeah. Yep. Okay. That's enough.